If you see these white lines on chicken meat, you should think twice about eating it. The human civilization is eating meat now more than ever, and as the chicken is an excellent source of protein, it is one of the most popular choices of meat. Seeing this, we shouldn't be surprised that poultry manufacturers are flooding the market with chicken meat. However, it comes with a price according to a new campaign launched by the Compassion in World Farming organization. The white lines we often see on a piece of chicken meat is an indication that the chicken was suffering from muscle disorders. Which says a lot for the conditions they've been raised in. Although not a life-threatening problem, it is definitely a moral issue. The appearance of white lines on chicken meat reduces the quality of meat and raises the fat content by up to 224%. As we all know, consuming fatty foods is the main source of heart disease. Muscle disorder affects all chicks that have been overfed in order to grow bigger and faster. Usually, it takes about 47 days for some chicks to reach 3 kg in weight. 50 years ago, the chicken needed about 70 days to reach the same weight, which shows that they're being forced to grow rapidly. This causes muscle disorders and the appearance of the white lines. So, the next time you see them on a piece of chicken, don't eat it. Another video below, which could be very useful. For those who want to reduce or stop eating meat, 4 plants rich in protein. Today we're going to present a list of 4 natural foods that can be consumed instead of meat. This list will help people who are trying to reduce their meat consumption or abandoning it altogether, and can also help people who are not consuming enough protein. Eating or not eating meat is a personal choice. Some people avoid meat due to the health problems related to it, but you should know that it's not just about the meat. Livestock is one of the planet's biggest environmental threats. Cattle breeding requires a lot of water, which contributes to the shortage of water many countries are facing nowadays. If we cut the breeding to a minimum, we'll have more water for our needs. If you're thinking that we're wrong, search the internet to see how livestock affects the environment and you will be surprised. Of course, the meat industry moves a lot of money and is a great economic activity, but for the sake of Earth, it's time we start thinking about the alternatives. Meat is one of the best natural protein sources, but it's not the only one. Many plants are great protein sources as well, and we're going to present the top 4 of them. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa is a special plant. It's a complete protein of great quality and can be even used for muscle growth. 100 grams of quinoa has about 14 grams of protein, and the cereal also has a low glycemic index, which means that it is safe for diabetics. 2. Cashew nuts. Besides contains 18.5 grams of protein per 100 grams, cashews also contain several important amino acids that are great for our muscles. 3. Broccoli. Not many people love broccoli, but they are one of the healthiest plant foods and have numerous health benefits. Besides treating various ailments including cancer, broccoli is also a great protein source. 100 grams, the portion can provide up to 4 grams of protein. 4. Lentils. Lentils are another great source of protein. 100 grams of the plant contains 10 grams of protein, which is enough to be used as a meat replacement. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.